This is the Dyson V15 Detect Total Clean Stick Vacuum. It's cordless. Of course, you can't go wrong with Dyson, but we recently upgraded our cordless vacuum, and I cannot say enough wonderful things about this vacuum. I mean, yes, it's a vacuum, but it's amazing. So the detect part of this is really, really neat. That's awesome technology on this. So I'm gonna turn it on, and you'll see there's gonna be a green light that shows any invisible dust to the naked eye, but it'll kind of shine a light on it. So the plus here is you didn't see any dust because there's no dust on my floor. But, okay, so another cool thing with this is that it does show you how much run time is left, which is really awesome. It tells you, these are all color coded of the different types of dust particles that are being picked up. The largest one here on mine is allergens. And then there's dust mites, dust, sugar, I believe is the other one. Another really cool thing, I will keep telling you cool things, is the different modes. So this one, there's an eco mode, so that obviously uses the least amount of battery, so you'll get the most runtime. Then there's an auto mode, which this is what I always keep it on, because it will, as you're vacuuming and you're kind of going over a more dusty area, or maybe there's some food on the floor, it will power it up to the boost mode automatically for you. So this is a very efficient way to use it, because it'll kind of know when to go into eco mode, when to go into boost mode. And then of course, there is the boost mode when you really got a dirty, dirty floor and you want to keep it in boost. You can do that of course as well, but your runtime will be lower. It did come with this clip here. So you can, if there's certain attachments that you use more than others, you can keep them on your vacuum just for easy switching it out. If you're familiar with Dyson, it's all the same type of red button that you have to clip to take the attachments on and off. It did come with a whole bunch of attachments for this one. So the Detect one I use mainly on the hardwood floors. This one is for like your couches, things like that. This one's neat. It folds over, so if you have a hard to reach place, you can attach that to the stick and reach higher up. I'm not gonna go through all of them. You can read the specs on it, but just really neat. I have not seen this one before with my other vacuum. This one is flexible, so you can kind of, I'm gonna show you one other main attachment that I use. So I alternate between the Detect, which like I said, I use on the hardwood floors. I use this one in the kitchen and on the rugs. This is an anti-tangle comb inside of it, so hair, pets, whatever, that kind of is a better option for those types of surfaces. And I use it in the kitchen too, because this here, I can just show you really quick. This is really soft, and I just don't want to get food and things like that on it and make it get all gross. Okay, and then one last thing, which I love, this is my mudroom, and this is the mounting for the charger. So it's very sleek, very easy to store. You pop it on there, it charges automatically. There's even two little holders here for other attachments. Can't say enough wonderful things about it. Definitely check this one out.